Mastering formal titles, sir, madam, and more. Hello, dear learners. In today's lesson, we'll delve deep into the world of formal titles in English. Ever wondered how to address someone politely in various settings? You're at the right place. Let's dive in and explore the significance of sir, madam, and other honorifics. Honorifics are titles or words used before or after people's names, or as a form of address, to show respect, courtesy, or recognition of an official status. In English, there are various honorifics, but today we'll focus on the commonly used ones like sir and madam. Sir is a title of respect often used to formally address men in spoken or written English. When addressing a man whose name you don't know, "Excuse me, sir, could you help me?" In correspondence, when addressing a male recipient you're unfamiliar with, "Dear sir." However, it's worth noting that sir can also be an honorific title for knights in the UK, but in daily communication, it's mostly used as a polite form of address. Madam is a polite way of addressing a woman. It's the counterpart to sir for females. Here's how you can use it. When addressing a woman whose name you don't know, "May I help you, madam?" In correspondence, when addressing a female recipient you're unfamiliar with, "Dear madam." In some places, madam can refer to a woman in charge of a brothel, but in formal greetings and communication, its primary use is as a respectful title. There are several other honorifics in English, such as Mr. for men, e.g., Mr. Smith; Mrs. for married women, e.g., Mrs. Smith; Miss for unmarried women or as a general title for girls, e.g., Miss Smith; Ms. for women regardless of marital status, e.g., Ms. Smith; Drive for doctors or individuals with doctorate degrees, e.g., Dr. Smith. Remember, using the correct honorific is a sign of respect and can make your conversation smoother and more polite. Thank you for joining us in this lesson on formal titles in English. We hope you now feel confident addressing others with politeness and respect. Keep practicing, and soon these honorifics will become second nature. Until next time, happy learning!